Alright troops, and welcome back to Scott Silver. Bit of an unexpected video today. Wasn't planning on doing one, but I got a little package. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. If this is what I think it is, I'm pretty sure it is. It allows me to join a bit of an exclusive club. Exclusive in as much as it's limited to everyone. But I'm looking forward to this. As I say, hopefully it is what I think it is. So without further ado, let's get stuck into this. Yes. Yep. What I think it is. Scusi. You'll see it in a minute. Right. Yep. BYB Backyard Bullion. Here we go. Right. Okay, right. Oof. Ooh. Feel the weight in that thing. So looking forward to this, so looking forward to this. And here we go. Ta-da! Whoa. Oh, absolutely awesome. And of course it's a YouTube play button. Stunning. Look at that, feel the weight. Outstanding. Whoop. Let's have a look at the... Oh, go on yourself. Scott Silver. BYB. 4.27 ounce. There we go. 4.27 ounce. Look at that. He's got my name on it. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Oh man, I'm made up with that. Feel the weight. Oh, dead chuffed. Dead chuffed. Outstanding. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Thanks very much. Thanks very much, Backyard Bullion. Really, really appreciate that. I don't know. Am I allowed to call myself a YouTuber now? Yeah, I think I am. I think I am. I've got what, 60 subs now? By the way, excellent. Thank you very much for subscribing. And hopefully this thing will just grow. But yeah, made up. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Oh, great. Oh, I'm dead chuffed. Dead chuffed. Superb. Right, so that's it. Quick unboxing, as I say. It is what I thought it was, and yeah, if you're looking for any custom pieces made or anything like that, yeah, obviously get in touch with Backyard Bullion. He's got links to his website on all of his videos, I believe. So go and check him out. Thoroughly recommend them. I'm really happy with that, and that's it. Quick shout out before I go. My good friend Cobra Stacker, my big brother from another mother, is nearly at 1,000 goodness me, 1,000 subs. He's nearly at 1,000 subs. He's only a few away. No doubt everybody that watches me is already subscribed to Cobra Stacker, but if not, if I picked any newbies up here, please please go over, check out his content, and subscribe. He's a diamond. He really is. Excellent. So, well, that's it. As I said, thank you very much. Backyard Bullying, really chuffed. Much appreciated. Shout out to Cobra Stacker. Let's get him to that 1K. Okay. Catch you later, troops. See you when you're better dressed.